Hi, I'm Marna and this is a Dolls Rescue Channel. This is a reminder about the upcoming challenge that we are putting out to anyone watching our videos. Please share our videos too. This is a collab between Tammy and I for a competition, and we will ask you to vote on our dolls. But it's also a challenge, as we have done in the past, for you to make your own video to put up on July 28th with the hashtag Dolly Swim Suits. And what we're asking you to do is dress your doll in a swimsuit and then set them up near or in water. It could be a cup of water or an ocean. We don't care. We just thought it would be fun. Please join in. You do not have to use a Blythe. You can use absolutely any doll you would like to do. You do not have to make your swimsuit. As you can see, Blythe has borrowed one of Barbie's. She also stole her paddle. I think she's trying to talk her out of her stand-up paddleboard. We'll see. So what I thought we would do is take this 28-inch Barbie and talk about craft magic. Y'all have seen people on their craft pages make swimsuits out of balloons for Barbie. And they quickly cut it out, and then all of a sudden it's on the Barbie. Tell you right now, I haven't tried it, but I've worked with balloons for crafts. There's a lot of friction between this balloon that is rubber and your doll's plastic legs. One of the things you'll want to do is add baby powder to the inside. Oh wait, they didn't tell you that. The other thing is, as you're putting it on your doll, plan to take time. It can take a very long time and a lot of patience. You also probably need something to smooth it out. That's what I call craft magic, where they show it and they cut it and then all of a sudden it's on the doll, and they show the finishing touches, you know, like pulling this up around the neck. Plan on time. I went and got these big balloons, and I think this is too big for my 28-inch Barbie, so wait just a minute. So I went and got one of my 38-inch Barbies. Forgive me, I bought her. I plan to clean her up and do her hair. I haven't yet. I did find these cute little bitty baby shorts for her. They're so 60s. I just love them. They are size 9 months. They actually need to be taken in a little bit. Sometimes I just use a big safety pin hidden in the back because I also have Patty Play Pals, and sometimes they change clothes. Will this work? You know what? This balloon seems a little big for her, but when you do this sort of crafts, always keep your doll's hips in mind. I say this all the time, but it happens so frequently. People cram clothes over their doll's hips, and what happens is when you get right here, you're pulling, and then your legs come in like this, which means they come out here, and then your legs are forever loosey-goosey. Let's see what we can do and cut her a pair of bottoms. This is why I hate these painted on clothes. I just can't stand them. I don't even like the underpants. I'm looking for my glasses. I'm always looking for my glasses. I don't even like the underpants printed on, because if you want to do something like a G-string or a different swimsuit or whatever, it's always there. Okay, what I'm going to do is I cut about half of this off. I'm going to cut some legs in about here. Let's see what happens. Now, again, I'm going to abort if this starts pulling my doll too tight and I can't get it up. All right, so that's what we have so far for the bottoms. That looks pretty good. I think I'm going to cut a little more out of the legs from the bottom, make them smaller in the crouch and bigger in the leg area. And I'm just snipping. I am just doing a quick craft. You could take your time and measure and all sorts of things. And then we're going to just give her, well, let's see. We could kind of do a halter. That's pretty high though. I think we're just going to do a wrap around. And we're going to cut that about here. And we're going to cut it in the back, in the center. And the reason I'm not cutting it at the side is because it has shape to it, and you want the same shape on each side. Let's see if we can tie that in the back. All right, the proof's in the pudding.
Almost look like a tube top.
Yeah, kind of like a tube top. Just don't dive, Barbie, don't dive. What happens when you dive in a swimsuit that's, oh, you're coming up out of the water without it. How would I know that? Oh God. The things that happened when I was young. All right, so what we're gonna do is, this might take 3 hands. We're gonna tie this in the back tightly. How's that look in the front, Darren?
Pink.
Yeah, that's that doggone paint on. I don't like it. You could actually take her just like that and call it a swimsuit if you wanted. Oh, it's a little short. Nah, it's just a little sexy, that's all. All right, and then let's see how these pants go on. Now, I might have to get some baby powder, but we're gonna give it a go. When I cut this, it fused my plastic, or my rubber. Let's see. Yeah, this is gonna go right on. I'll bet you've never seen a Barbie swimsuit on 38-inch made from a balloon. Well, it's a little loose here. I'm okay with it. For photos, I think it would work out. You could take her down by the water. Well, let's see. That's a little loose there. I probably could have used a smaller balloon, but you get the idea. So this Barbie, if she had her hair done, is ready to go to water and to participate in the July 28th Dolly Swimsuit Challenge. That's the hashtag.
Swimsuits.
Yes, Dolly Swimsuits Challenge. And she's ready to go, and Gidget is ready to go. If you know anything about the Gidget, she was a little surfer girl in movies, and they were, Gidget goes to Hawaii, Gidget goes to Rome, Gidget goes, Gidget goes, Gidget goes. So when I say Gidget's ready to go, she is. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know if you're participating in our challenge or if you plan to, and subscribe.